time in Nugget Garage. We're up at Nambour Showgrounds at a new event called Power On Petrie. It's a pretty cool little event. It's the first time it's been run today. Well, it started yesterday, Friday, runs through today and then tomorrow, Sunday. They've got skids you can do, probably here in the background. It's a good little event. It's like a little mini summer, that's really. They've got a cruise route. You can cruise around the whole showgrounds here. You can do skids in the expression session. You can do a power skid or a burnout, or just drive through, cruise, whatever you like. They've got dynos, they've got car shows, they've got grass events, they've got food, they've got everything here. It's a really good little event. So we're going to do a couple of skids in the van. We've got the go-kart here. Just going to do a couple of cruise laps in that. Speaking of the go-kart, we are going to finish that. We're just waiting for one more part to come along. And then we can get a final tune in it, get it on the dyno, and then we'll just send it out at a track somewhere and maybe break it, catch it on fire, I don't know. So yeah, so this event's really good. So we're up here, we're going to cover it. Alan Woody from the Skid Factory up here, Dave and Tyler from Overtaking Lane here, which is a cool little channel. They've got a new channel they've just started covering a lot of car events, which is pretty good. They do a live thing on Thursday. So check that out, Overtaking Lane on YouTube. It's a new little channel, so give them a support and subscribe to them guys. They are really good and great guys to talk to. So yeah, we'll check it out. We'll get the camera out in there and do some laps in the van and the go-kart and some skids, and we'll have a bit of time and
very much for watching. Any of your kids want to come down and get a sticker, get a poster, come on down here. I'll show them up the bikes, get a few pictures.
Came for the win.
Love polka. It's time for boogie.
What's in the van? Oh, stop.
Let's start slow. And they faster.
Let him up.
Alright, we've had a bit of a skid in the van. Kind of wasted me tyres, so I don't know how I'm getting home. I'm going to have to go and buy a set. But anyway, we're going to go and throw it on the dyno just because it's there and it's free. I don't really care about the numbers. I already know what it's making, but it's a bit of fun anyway. So dyno's free, so we'll throw it on there. And anyway, we'll get down there and do that. This guy might be the end of it. You ready, Dave?
At least you're not sitting in there if it does throw them.
Yeah, because it'll be straight for your ass. Good luck to him.
Okay, here we go. It's all in at 450 horsepower. This guy over here wasn't going to go good on you. It's for sale, 35k it's yours. Going once? No. Is that alright?
what's up? Got a bottle of water? Maybe a lemon squash?